What is going on, everyone? Welcome to this episode of Homebuilt Workshop. Today we got some bloopers and a little bit of outtakes. Not even a project, so I hope you enjoy it. Check it out. I think I mentioned it a while back, I don't remember if it was a video or a post, that I was going to be taking all of the bloopers and outtakes and combining them once I had enough material to make a video out of, and this is what we have here. So I hope you guys enjoy it. If you did, go ahead and click that thumbs up button, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss other videos like this. The other little thing that I do kind of like about this is it does give me a moment to mention to more people about some certain things that may be going on around Homebuilt Workshop, like these cool beanies. Right now they are available on the homebuiltworkshop.com on my website, and there's still a few left, so if you're interested in one, head on over there and you can pick one up. And did you know that we have a monthly email newsletter? Didn't know that? You didn't? Make sure you head on over to my website, click on email, sign up in the menu at the top of the page, and enter your email address, and you can sign up. And don't worry about getting spammed because, well, it's only one email a month. So enough of that yapping, let's get on to some bloopers and behind the scenes. Not behind the scenes. So enough yapping, let's get on to some outtakes and some bloopers. Hope you guys enjoy it. Really? This thing can't make up its mind where it wants to focus. Oh, it's crazy. Okay, oh, focus box on my face, hang on. That's what happens when you hurry. It was at this exact moment where I wanted to take this guitar body and throw it as far away from me as I possibly could. I was so frustrated. But a couple minutes later, I was over it and back on the project. They're filthy. How am I supposed to see out of them when they're all filthy? Can you even hear me? Like I'm screaming right now. All I need to do is take just a little bit of thickness off of the end. And my phone. Really? Really? Oh, somebody from Georgia. I don't know anybody in Georgia. Let's see what this is all about.
Plus rated insurers at prices that you and your family can afford.
Oh, affordable health insurance.
Accepting enrollments. For a hassle-free quote, press the number
oh, hassle-free.
to a licensed insurance agent, or press the number 9 to be added to the do not call list. Again,
let's see.
Press the number 2
9.
to connect to an...
Thank you.
Oh, look at that. Do you guys get phone calls like this? Man, that's so annoying. It seems as though no matter how many times you ask them to be put on the do not call list, they still call you from different numbers. You could block them all day long. They'll call you tomorrow from 3 different numbers. Ah, it drives me nuts. If you guys have a solution for this, please let me know. They're even calling from local numbers. It appears to be anybody that could be like my neighbor. So you really have no idea. So if you guys have some suggestions, please let me know. And if you're one calling me, stop it. It's springtime, I think. At least the geese are out. Probably didn't need such a large cup for this, but it's only a tiny bit of epoxy. Yeah, it's okay. That'll be a fun one. It's time to put those knives to use and make a marking gauge. Marking gauge? We're not making a marking gauge. We had a huge blizzard in the month of March, and we ended up with some gigantic snowdrifts in the driveway, and we even had to get the driveway plowed out by a front end loader. And these are some of the piles that were piled up as he was digging out our driveway. It took us a couple of days before we could even get out the driveway. It was crazy. I was working on a project at this time, but Haley was definitely enjoying having all this snow around. I'm making a mess. I don't really even care. You can just spill it all over, really. It's so great. I love how the grain came out on those handles once I put that once I put the oil on there. Yeah. Gotta get the oil down there. Oh, I hope spring's actually here. Look at that fish, he's big. So there we go, guys. Let me know your thoughts on this kind of video. I do intend to keep doing something like this because I know a lot of you, as well as myself, enjoy including the outtakes and bloopers. It's definitely fun to do, and I think I like this idea of combining them all together once I have a bit of material. So let me know your thoughts on that, guys. Thanks a lot for watching, and we'll see you next time.